Careful. I was talking to that Kia up there. Figure it out. What is that? What?
Fucking ice. Oh Jesus, dude, that's why I can't go back. Because I swear to God, I could drink about 16 of those right now. I could drink 16 of those and would actually have the audacity to defend a hot sleeper. Gross. Like a plush or firm bed, with Helix, there's no more guessing or compromising. Just go to helixsleep.com/Burr, take their 2-minute sleep quiz, and they'll match you to a mattress that will give you the best sleep of your life. For couples, Helix can even split the mattress down the middle, providing individual support needs and feel preference.
Really? What the fuck are you doing?
He's got to play it. Bergen from the corner.
What the fuck?
Retreating, get it back on there into things in Sandheim. His partner is Radko Gu.
What the hell? Man, people are on crazy pills this morning. Yeah, that's safe. There's nothing, there's no bungees or nothing holding that stuff in. Why the hell are you sitting in the middle? I mean, Easy Pass does work in both lanes. Someone made a wrong turn, and it's just this. We made a wrong turn and have to make a U-turn. Oh no! Why would you veer to the right if you're turning left? Alright, you're just gonna sit there, I'll just go. Oh, I was wishing that FedEx truck would honk at him. Oh well.